I knew a girl named Nikki, I guess you could say she was a sex fiend. I met her in a hotel lobby, masturbating to a magazine. She said, how'd you like to waste some time? And I could not resist when I saw little Nikki crying. Darling Nikki, took me to her castle and I just couldn't believe my eyes. She had so many devices, everything that money could buy. She said, sign your name on the dotted line. The lights went out and Nikki started to grind. Darling Nikki, started spinning, or maybe it was my brain. I can't tell you what she did to me, but my body would never be the same. Oh, loving will kick your behind. She'll show you no mercy, but show me how to grind. Darling Nikki, whoa, darling Nikki, yeah, darling Nikki. I woke up the next morning, Nikki wasn't there. I looked all over and all I found was a phone number on the stairs. It said, thank you for the funky time. Call me up whenever you wanna grind. Darling Nikki, whoa, darling Nikki, yeah, darling Nikki. Thank you. We are the Big Thompson Flood. Thanks for having us.